The most important AI of the next decade won't have an app. What if disruptive technology quietly reshaped our lives without a download button? That's the power of invisible AI, algorithms running in the background, subtly orchestrating our world without making a sound. We're on the brink of a shift where machine intelligence doesn't shout for attention. It just works, silently transforming everything from healthcare to education to how your packages get delivered. Take Lena, a single mom working 2 jobs in Chicago. One morning, she noticed her son's reading scores had skyrocketed. His school had quietly integrated a new AI tutoring system that identified his learning gaps and personalized content without Lena ever having to sign him up. No flashy app, no extra cost, just invisible AI making an impact. This isn't science fiction, it's already happening. In hospitals, AI now triages patients before the doctor sees them. In grocery chains, dynamic stocking algorithms reduce waste without customers even realizing it. Logistics companies optimize routes to cut emissions and fees, entirely behind the scenes. What makes this shift so profound is that invisible AI doesn't change our behavior like social media did. It changes outcomes. You don't have to learn a new interface. You just get faster deliveries, cheaper groceries, smarter classrooms, or more time with your doctor. If you've ever been recommended a job at just the right moment or had a flight rebooked automatically after a delay, chances are invisible AI was at work. It lives inside infrastructure and processes, not in colorful app icons. The irony? Invisible AI is hard to market. You don't tweet about it, it doesn't go viral. But it's quietly winning because it solves boring but vital problems incredibly well. These systems excel at optimization, matching supply with demand, predicting failure before it happens, allotting resources more fairly. Even in agriculture, farmers rely on AI that monitors humidity, soil moisture, and crop health without ever looking at a dashboard. And yet, because it's not tied to a thing we download or buy, most people vastly underestimate its reach. By 2030, most of the impactful AI in your life will never ask for your permission or even your attention. It's ambient, like electricity, just there, working. But of course, there's a flip side. Invisible AI can also mean invisible biases and unseen decision-making. If it allocates public resources unfairly or misjudges a patient's symptoms, how do we notice before harm is done? That's why transparency and accountability must grow alongside these systems. Because when AI decisions fade into the wallpaper, oversight often does too. So while invisible AI will drive efficiency, savings, and quality of life, we must stay vigilant about who designs it, tests it, and owns it. It's not about whether this technology is good or bad. It's about whether it's guided wisely. The shift toward invisible AI changes how society adopts technology. No fanfare, no product launch, just better systems. And it presents a new challenge. How do we govern what we can't see? For developers, the goal won't be to build the next viral app, but to fine-tune the quiet engine humming inside everyday life. For users, it means watching what changes, not the interface, but the results. AI is exiting the screen and entering systems, not to impress you, but to improve things you didn't know needed improving. As we embrace this silent wave, our questions shouldn't center on what the AI looks like, but on who it's serving. Invisible doesn't mean irrelevant, it means integrated. And while you may never download it, it's already downloading itself into the fabric of society. Subscribe to explore how AI is reshaping our world, one breakthrough at a time.